wishing you and all our viewers a very happy and a prosperous new year. Turning out to be a soft start for Indian equity markets. But yes, as you mentioned, we are sustaining above that 26,100 mark today as well. We are up about 25 points on the Nifty, but a solid 100 points higher on the Nifty Bank, inching closer to that 60,000 mark. Remember, we are just 300 points away from touching that 60,000 mark yet again as far as the Nifty Bank is concerned. From the Nifty 50 pack, we have Eternal. That one is gaining in trade today. Auto sector stocks are gaining. Of course, we have auto sales numbers which have started coming in. M&M is gaining on the back of that. Interglobe Aviation from the aviation sector also continues to buck the trend, currently trading at that 5115 mark. So all of these amongst the top gainers from the Nifty 50 index. Let's also put the spotlight on some other individual sectors and subsectors that are buzzing in trade. And cigarette stocks, for instance, are in focus on the back of that notification that came in from the government, and we'll discuss that in just a bit. ITC on the back is a big drag on the markets today, down nearly 7.5%. Godfrey, Phillips and VST Industries are also under pressure. These companies will perhaps have to undertake price hikes in order to pass on the impact of the government notification. All these three stocks under pressure on the back of that. Shifting focus to some other individual sectors then, and Dr. Reddy's from the Nifty 50 pack is under pressure. That one is the biggest loser. We also have Tata Consumer Products from the FMCG pack, which is under pressure today. In terms of other newsmakers, let's also talk about Vodafone Idea. The stock was in focus yesterday. It has recovered up 8% in trade today. One, of course, on the back of that capital infusion plans by the promoter, and second, they've said that they've not received any notification from the government with respect to media articles which suggested that 80,000 crore worth of AGR dues have now been frozen. Indus Tower in line with Vodafone Idea, that one is gaining, and Adani Total. In fact, all of these Adani Group stocks are bucking the trend today. Adani Total, Adani Gas, Adani Power, all of them are gaining in trade today. Other newsmakers includes the likes of Piccadilly Agro. This, of course, on the back of their new facility being set up. This one is gaining in trade. NCC on order wins, and Pace Digitech is also gaining in trade today. Yes, a whole host of buzzers from the broader markets, but turning out to be a soft but good start for the Indian equity markets for this calendar year. Nifty sustaining well above that 26,100 mark. Snehi.
Resha, thanks so much for taking us through that. So 26,144 is where the Nifty is at. Yes, it's been quite a tempered day of trade for us so far, but let's see what the second half of the trading session holds for us. But on that note, time for a very short break. Be right back with more news and updates on the other side.